How are you everyone? Today I will tell you a website from which you can create AI avatar videos for free, and you can also create your videos for your YouTube channel from your mobile or computer. Don't skip the video, watch till the end. You have to search Wondersharevirbo. Open this website and sign up your account first. You can download it free and also generate your videos online. Click here and you can see a lot of avatars are available on this website. Female and male avatars for marketing and news purpose. Now click on create avatar videos. Here, if you are making long videos for YouTube, you have to choose landscape. If you are making short videos, select portrait. I am selecting landscape and continue. It's loading. You can select avatars which you like. I am selecting this one. And you can also change your background. Multiple backgrounds are available here. And I am selecting this one. You can adjust your avatar according to your background, and then you need a script. But don't take tension, AI will write a script for you. You have to submit your topic like a motivational script. To make more engaging, click here and apply. It's writing your script. You can select the language in which you want to translate your script. I am selecting English. Or if you want to upload your audio file, upload from here. Now you have to select your voice over character. First select your language and gender. Here a lot of characters. I am selecting this one, and you can also edit your subtitles, but it doesn't feel good, so I off it. Now video is ready, and export the video and wait for a while. I am playing it. If you are worried about this watermark, so don't take tension because you are watching Digital Dose. I have also created a video on this topic, how to remove watermark for free. Click on the I button and watch the video. If you are watching till now, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.